Linear interpolation. Interpolation is the process of defining a function that takes on a specific values at specified points. The simplest form of interpolation is to connect two data points with a straight line. This technique is called linear interpolation. The figure below shows graphical depiction of linear interpolation using similar triangles, which can be rearranged to yield. The notation x sub 1 of x designates that this is a first-order interpolating polynomial. In general, the smaller the interval between the data points, the better the approximation. This is due to the fact that as the interval decreases, a continuous function will be better approximated by a straight line. Choose an interval that brackets the value to be estimated. The smaller the interval, the better the approximation. Use the linear interpolation formula to estimate the value of the unknown, or in this case, ln of 2.